Good morning and welcome to beautiful, hectic Jakarta. Scooters and traffic everywhere. Gotta be really careful when you're walking in the streets. Smoke for some skewers going on. I really love this very dynamic city. You have these like insane high-rises in the background. You have these small local buildings. A lot of like food being prepared everywhere. Street vendors. Quite mixed, like new and old. And very nice climate and temperature. I am quite burned from my trip to Komodo, so I think I need to go and put on some sunscreen. But I just wanted to show very short here some of the clips from today. Probably gonna have some local food, see what's on offer, maybe some rendang. We've got some good recommendations, so we'll see. I just love these like skewers they have everywhere here. So yeah, I'll take you guys along and see what more we can find. Yeah, so now it's actually evening. The day passed very quickly. I'm gonna fly back now 10:45 to Beijing. Just have a bit of a healthy snack here to get some carbs for the flight, sleep better. But I just wanted to share a bit of the fantastic views here in the background. Jakarta, very dynamic city. Definitely worth a visit if you haven't been here. I didn't know what to expect, but really impressed me in a very positive way. And just had some rendang curry here, pandan from West Sumatra for dinner. Super nice with like coconut-based curries with like beef, chicken, and shrimp, a lot of vegetables. Totally amazing. I haven't tried it before, so if you want to try something a little bit spicy, very exotic, and really nice with the curry, check that out. So now I'm gonna go back here. Just wanted to share a bit of the last clips here from Jakarta, walking around, exploring a bit the neighborhoods here, but very short today. So if you want to see more kind of stuff like this, give me a comment, let me know what you want to see. Otherwise, if you want to see more, give me a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.